Taking this all around the place, various places in Europe. Yeah, love it, love it. Great fun. Hey, okay, so here we are on the driveway, just about to give Nezbit some new looking wheels. As you can see down here, I've been working on these little badgers, which need a little bit of a tart up really. So what we do is just going to give them a quick little blow over with some black spray, maybe a little bit of detail and lip, just for a bit of a change. Here's the other side now. There we go. See, we just got around the rim. See, I'm really there. It's complicated. There. So yeah. So basically, just sat here enjoying the evening, and yeah, just making use of a bit of time, tarting this bit up a little bit, and I'll chuck some pics on so you can see like the before and after pictures. So, hasta luego. Bye. Here we are, part 2 of the wheel refurb session. Here we go. The end result, front wheel. I think that's a massive improvement. Gone for a little bit of silver around the outside. And yeah, just on around the outside rim, deep dish style. Generally pretty pleased with them. There's the back over there, you can see there, it's pretty cool. Yeah, so yeah, pretty pleased with how it's turned out. Like I say, sort of dulled them up a little bit. They're starting to get a little bit rusty around the edges. Now they're looking all nice and dapper. So, thought I'd give you just a quick little glimpse at Nezbit, a little bit of a tour, see what he's all about. I'll run you through what we've got on the outside at the moment. We're set up here in Spain, in Andalusia, and for that we have got things like the back box, which gives us a load of bit of storage, all camping gear and everything like that. And there's like a rack underneath, which I don't know if you can see there. Sometimes you can fit like jerry cans and stuff like that on there. On the back, ladder, which is well handy. Ladder up to the top. We've got like up there, we've got like a top box, which is more storage. Cut of solar panels, 50 watts each, 100 watts. We can run that with a 110 amp laser battery. Keeps us going. We keep the energy down with LED lighting, really low wattage TV if you ever choose to watch it. I just don't really use that much electric, to be honest, but yeah, keeps us topped up, keeps us going. We'll do a couple of weeks, no problem, and then drive on, no doubt. We don't really tend to stop much longer than that. But like I say, top box on the back, we've got things like reversing camera, parking sensors, just makes life a little bit easier. Then on the side here, we've got up here on the side, that's an antenna for Wi-Fi, a motorhome Wi-Fi system. Pretty cool, pretty handy. It allows us to pick up Wi-Fi from surrounding places like cafes and things like that, or mum's house. Yes, cheers mum. And up here, all in, which we haven't got out at the moment because we're just enjoying the sunshine, to be honest. Nice and hot down here at the moment. Coming around the other side, down here, we've got things like a little bit of storage just on the side here. Allows you to get into the back seat, which is quite cool. Things like the vent for the hot water. We've got a cassette emptying point here for that's for the toilet, like the waste for the toilet. In here that's where we used to keep the gas bottles, but I fitted on the other side a big 70 litre LPG tank refillable, which is wicked because it kept us going right through the winter, like a couple of weeks at a go easily. So in that space there now I got a diesel heater, auxiliary diesel heater, which is pretty cool. Kicks out loads of heat. Actually rigged it up to dry the skiing kit, but in the wardrobe with various tubes all over the place to dry boots out. But we used it once because the heating and everything was just spot on in there over the winter. Little additions, some LED spots on the front because the lights on these aren't exactly fantastic. These are 1996 VW LT31. So like I say, he's not kitted out with all the most amazing sort of bits of kit, but everything that we need. As you can see, he's taking this all around the place, various places in Europe. Yeah, love it, love it. Great fun, so I don't regret a minute of it, and we're well happy with our choice of wagon. So yeah, catch up with you soon. Hasta luego.